Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather Gearhart, and if you are new, please consider subscribing at the end of this video if you find my information useful and helpful. I make videos all about life, food, family, and fun, so anything that affects our lives on a regular basis. And today, I'm going to be trying out a lash extension DIY at-home process that I found online from another YouTuber, and we're going to test it out and see if it works, because if it does, it's a total game changer. You can now do lash extensions at home that will last you an entire week and will cost you about just over $2 a week to do it. So, want to know what that is? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so I was perusing YouTube, as I do often, and I came across Brittany Vasseur'S. I really hope I'm not butchering her name. And she had done this video on DIY lash extensions at home. I had actually not seen her videos before, and now I'm totally hooked. I think that she has some actually really great stuff on her channel. I've seen probably 5 or 6 videos now, and I've gotten some really good information. So if you have not checked out Brittany Vasseur'S, I'm so butchering her name, I know it. But check it out. I'll have it linked in the description box below. I will actually have her video that she does on this linked in the description box, because this is not my techniques and tips. It is totally hers, and so I do not deserve the credit for this. I'm just testing it out to see if it works. So basically what you're doing is you're getting this Lashify system that is a special kind of glue, and it's got a black side on one side and a clear side on the other, and it looks like a mascara wand. In fact, I will get it. Looks like this, and you have the black side here, just a tiny little mascara wand, and then you do the clear side here. And then she just bought Ardell Wispies, cut them in thirds, and used this to apply them. And I'm gonna take you into my bathroom. It's a little comical the first time that I did it, because she did actually say that there is kind of a finesse to this, a little bit of a learning curve. I would agree. The first eye was a bit of a struggle, but then when I got to the second eye, went on like a dream. And so I'm going to take you throughout my week and test this every single day and see if it works. So take a look. What I've done is I've gotten the Ardell Wispies. You can see that here. This one's not cut. This one is. I cut them into 4 little clusters to stick them on. And then I got the Amazon version that she recommended of this because it was way cheaper. So we'll see if that works. And then I got the Lashify glue that has the clear on one side and the black on the other. I've never opened it. I didn't get the remover, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get these off. And she also said it takes a few times to finesse it. Like by the 3rd time she'd gotten it down, and this is the first time I'm doing it. So it may be comical here. So first, we take the black, and we are just going to put it on the eye, all the way out on my lashes. And she said not too much, but you need enough, just not too much and not too little. So I'm gonna kind of go with 2 coats maybe. I mean, she said not too much, not too little. It doesn't really tell you how much, but I can understand why she's doing that, because you know, it's hard to describe how much. Okay, so then you take the piece in your hand and you put a little bit of the white glue or the clear glue. It actually doesn't feel like there's anything in this, but like I'm doing this, but I don't see anything actually getting on here. Nope. Wow, this is hard. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is really hard. I don't really know how she's doing this. It's really hard to get this clear glue on here. Okay, that one went on easier. Let's try another one. I think with my eyes, I may only get 3 on here. So I'm just taking this. I think I just would do 3. Then she says, take it like this and just clamp them together. Nope, that does not work because now I'm gonna pull it off. Dang it. Okay, make sure you don't have any glue on this. No, it's totally sticking. Okay, I'm just gonna wait till these dry for a minute. I mean, it looks pretty good. I don't know if it's gonna stay for a week. She also said that you can't sleep with your face smashed into a pillow because you'll just move them all over. And so she has this pillow that her mom actually invented, and it's kind of a U shape, and you can just sleep here without your eyes touching anything. So if you don't have that pillow and you're a side sleeper, you're gonna need to sleep like this at the edge of your pillow so that you don't mess with these. So it's still a little tacky. So I'm trying to clamp them together like she was, and it is kind of sticking to my fingers a little bit. So I'm just gonna do the other side, and then I'll come back and show you the final product, and then we'll wear this for however many long days it works, how many days long it works, and see if this is actually good. I mean, so far, that first one was kind of hard to put on, but after that, it went on okay. So I'm gonna try the other side, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have them on, and actually this eye was much easier than this eye. I think for my first time, I might have gotten it too close to the waterline. That was one of the things she talked about, is you want it at the base of your lash line, but not on the waterline, I would imagine, because then it's gonna get wet and they may not last as long. So if you look up under, I don't know if you can see it at all, but there's still little white kind of lash glue is what it looks like to me. And I don't know if it hasn't dried yet. It is pretty sticky still if I try and touch my eyelashes. So I am kind of waiting, because you're supposed to clamp them together. But when I was using this tool, like she does in her video, to kind of clamp them together, this was just sticking to it. So she said, you know, wait a couple of minutes to have it kind of dry a little bit before you do it. But I have found that if I just, because see, it's still sticky even on my fingers. So if I just push up and kind of just squeeze them together real gently with my fingers, maybe that's gonna work. I don't know, it's the first time I've done this. But it looks like I have on extensions. It looks good, it's natural. These are the wispies, so it's not anything crazy. You probably could use thicker or more, more voluminous lashes, but then it might look crazy. I don't know. And I think if you're just starting out doing this, these Ardell wispies are kind of the way to go, because they do look natural. They're not going to look crazy. And if you get it just a little wrong or whatever, it's not going to look so crazy. So, but now that they're on, if I squeeze my eyes together tight, I can feel it. And I think it's because I got it on my waterline just a little bit. I need to go out just a little bit further next time, so I can feel it. But as far as just looking around, I don't really feel. You feel a little bit, but I feel a little bit if I put on falsies anyway. It is still a little sticky, so I'm hoping that feeling goes away. I think she said the first time she did it, she put on too much glue and it felt a little sticky, so maybe I did too much of the black. I don't know. I'm gonna have to kind of finagle this. And you know, she said there's some finessing that goes along with this. So when she was doing her video, it was not her first trip around, and this is mine. I just wanted to do a first impression, like, can someone who, you know, just an average person figure it out? I think you can figure it out. I'm gonna see how long this lasts, and I will check back at the end of this and tell you how many days it lasted, if it looks funky after I sleep, all that kind of stuff. And if this is something that lasts a week and I can throw this on, last a week, this might be my new go-to for lashes. We'll see if this works, and I'll see you in a few. Okay, this is day 2. I woke up and all of them were still on and in place and looked exactly the same as yesterday. I will say that I noticed, I think I used a little too much glue because they never really dried. It was sticky all day yesterday and into the evening, but today they don't feel sticky. So I don't know if I used too much glue or if the first day you just have to deal with them feeling sticky, but they are still on. They are looking great. It was super fast to put on my eye makeup today because I didn't even do any lashes and no mascara on the top here. And so far they look great. So day 2, thumbs up. All right, this is day 3 of the eyelashes. This one I think's gone a little bit wonky with it got a little bit clumped up, and I'm trying to kind of separate them a little bit, and I think that's because I took a shower and I forgot that I had them on, and I got my eye wet right here, and I actually got shampoo in my eye, and so I was dabbing it out, and so I think I kind of screwed it up forgetting that I had these on. But otherwise, because this one's just fine and they're staying on. Day 3, no mascara, no eyeliner, none of that, and I did a full eye look and it still looked good. So far so good. Just, you know, when you take a shower, don't get soap in your eye. You know, pro tip. All right, see you tomorrow. All right, this is day 4 and they are going strong. And pretty much other than getting soap in my eye and messing up this one right here, they look exactly perfect. I have no mascara on and it's day 4. This is awesome. All right, see you tomorrow. Okay, so today is day 6 and like I said, I got them messed up from the shower that one day, but they're still on. They have not budged. Not one single section has come off at all. The only thing, because it is day 6, is I have found that, I don't know if you can see down in here, but some of the eyeshadow is kind of coming off onto the lashes there, and they are starting to look a little bit sad today. But today is day 6. It's been on a week, and I would be taking them off tonight anyway, so I'm gonna try and take them off tonight because I forgot. She does recommend the removal from this company, the remover, and I don't have that. So we're gonna see how I can get this off, and we'll update that video after this. But this stuff works amazing. It's amazing. I have not had to put on mascara or lashes for an entire week, and I would say the only drawback is it's a little bit tricky getting the eye makeup off with a wipe and not really touching your lashes, trying to sleep, not smashing your face, and then, you know, don't get your face wet in the shower. So there's a couple of things that you have to be aware of, but other than that, this is amazing. I love this. So she has a link to this in her description box. She also has a link to the cheaper version of the little tweezers, and I got those from Amazon as well. I did not buy the ones from here. I'm not gonna put that link in my description box because she really deserves the credit for this, and it's probably an Amazon affiliate link. I don't know that for sure, but it probably is. So you should go click on her video down here and then click on the affiliate link for Amazon if you wanna get the tweezers off of Amazon, because I really believe in people who have original content getting the credit for that. So try this, you guys, if you don't want to pay for lash extensions. You do have to kind of finesse it a bit, and you know, it is a DIY, but if you want to save some money and then just do it once a week, I don't know if you can get these wet. Like, I know with lash extensions you can swim and all that kind of stuff. I don't know that you could do that with these. I haven't tested that out. Maybe I'll try that and test that out, and if I do, I will put a comment or update the description box. But so awesome, so awesome. So I will have a link for the Ardell wispy lashes in mine, but the other stuff I would hope that you will go watch hers. Plus she has a really good step-by-step DIY on how to put them on and just better lighting and filming equipment and all that. But check this out. So awesome. I'm doing this again tomorrow. Hey you guys, I just wanted to pop on here. I'm in my car and kind of show you I did some thicker lashes, not the Ardell Wispies, to see if they would hold with this process. And it does. I put these on last Thursday. It's now Monday and they are still on. So they definitely don't look natural like the Ardell Wispies. But if you wanted, even for a special occasion or whatever, and wanted to kind of amp it up a little bit, it works. I think the inside one right here is just starting to look like it may come off soon. So I don't know if these would last an entire week, but it's lasted Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 5 days so far, and they're still on right now, and I left them for today. So it does work with some heavier lashes. I don't know if it works quite as well, but you can do it. So I am super impressed with this process. Love it. Okay, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and you found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody who you think might be interested in trying out this little technique. And then also hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you're notified of every video I post. I do post every Tuesday and Thursday, and there's always something new. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.